Hey guys, what's up? Luke here back here, and today I'm going to show you how to solve the Rubik's Cube 2x2 once it's already solved in 2 moves. So, it's up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Back here, I'll show you again from a side angle. Sorry if my hair's kind of messed up. Up, down, 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 just like that. So then, I'll show you. Put it one more time. Do it really quick, and do it really slow, whatever way you feel like it. So, I counted, so it takes you about, like, if you count like that one move, count that one move, and that one move, it takes you 18. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So it takes you 18 moves. But if you count like, that's one move, I think it's going to take you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, takes you 9 of those. If you go like, that's one move. But if you do one move, 2 moves, takes you 18. So you can go into that. So yeah, like and subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Wait, hold on. I forgot to tell you, the reason why I've not been uploading is because I've had a bunch of family stuff, like in Halloween and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm sorry. I'm gonna try to upload as much as I can possible. So yeah, see you in the next one. If there is a next one, peace. I'm just kidding. There's gonna be a next one. Peace.